We are quite safe. Really? This is most common cliché you can hear when you come to the power station. In compliance, the rules of engagement are clear and established in advance. There is a well-documented list of principles and requirements. Organizations are given a fair warning when they will be assessed against these requirements, who will be doing the assessment, and so on. The boundaries of the interactions are well defined, depending on the standard in question, and auditing firms, it may or may not engage with employees, gain access to information not specifically provided to it by the company, and so on. The rules are clear more ahead. Security, on the other hand, does not have the same luxury. An attacker may show up at any time. In fact, there is a continuous stream of them working 24/7. Will look anywhere it can reach and see creative ways to break any previously known rules. Malicious actors will look at every gap, every corner, every vulnerability in the hope to find the smallest clue for how they can get in. Compliance is not security. As it is almost impossible to cover all potential vulnerabilities and large number of possible ways how to stop PLCs or any automation equipment, I, Peter Rupek, CEO of Bohemia Market, set rather practical and more achievable goals for how to support your power plant. This approach is backed by 2 decades of working experience in automation industry. Together with your team, we will develop and implement Control Systems Continuity Solutions, CSCS, to have a plan for your plant should something goes wrong. Be it by bad actors or simply leaking air conditioners. The goal is to recover your plant in course of a day or 2, not 2 months. You will not be forced to pay ransoms to bad guys, and you will regain weekends with your families and friends. Having a proper control systems continuity solutions is more achievable and realistic goal than an unbreakable, un-hackable DCS. Should be noted that existing systems should be equipped with independent network monitoring tools to be aware of any irregularities on the DCS networks in real time. None of the OEMs currently provides such a solution as part of their DCS system delivery. The development of the Control Systems Continuity Solutions, CSCS, start with the proper asset management. All information about each device or software installed at the plant is gathered and properly organized at this step. Device, cybersecurity and maintenance datasheet is a core of Bohemia Market's Control System Continuity Solutions. It gathers all information about any device or software at the power station. Device cybersecurity and maintenance datasheet is created automatically at the moment of adding a device to the Bohemia Market database system, which can be also delivered as on-premise solution. This set of questions and predefined tasks guide the user through the process of gathering information. The second step is to deliver the product. In the second step, documentation regards OEM maintenance, recovery, and backup procedures is reviewed and proper procedures are developed. For each device, it's clearly defined how to make a proper backup, how to verify integrity and functionality of the backup through testing and recovery procedures, data storage procedures to make sure their availability when needed. And finally, availability of spare parts is verified. This ensures that recovery of any device will be a smooth experience which can be performed within few hours. Only after knowing what, when, who and how for each device at the power station, compliance forms are having sense to be filled. The first 4 cybersecurity handbooks for your plant are written by implementing the control system's continuity solutions. Therefore, regulatory compliance can be addressed immediately after proper control systems continuity solutions are in place. This compliance can be achieved via Bohemia Markets Cybersecurity Assessment Program, which we have successfully implemented at many power stations. However, remember that compliance is not security. Finally, let's see one practical example from the world of cybersecurity. I will perform a live demonstration stopping the PLC controller. We will perform an undetected DDoS attack on Siemens S7 PLC, resulting in PLC failure. This is one of many possible attacks available for bad actors. Unfortunately, there are far too many ways how to stop your PLCs or damage your power plant equipment. After that, I will pass the demonstration device to our colleague at Grey Cortex, whose product detects such a malicious attacks. Once cybersecurity attack is detected, the operator is alerted immediately, so it can act accordingly and shut down the plant or switch it to manual operation.